Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Using classes in QuickBooks Online Plus allows you to categorize your transactions beyond basic expense or income accounts. You can break down or categorize each detail line in a transaction. This is helpful if you want to track line items to partners in a law firm, you want to track departmental expenses, you manage several properties, or just about anything you can think of for which you want to classify line items. To track by class, you will first need to turn on that function. Click the gear icon and select the Company Settings link. In the Company tab, scroll down and select the Categories section. Check the Track Classes checkbox. This will open a new checkbox that will tell QuickBooks Online Plus to warn me when a transaction isn't assigned a class. A drop-down box to select how to assign classes is below the checkboxes. The two options in this drop-down box are one to each row in a transaction and one to entire transaction. This will determine how to assign the classes you use. If you have multiple classes, the one to each row in transaction option is normally what you would pick. This will allow you to enter multiple classes on a single transaction. You can click Save and then click the Done button to save your work and close the page. Now that classes have been enabled, you can create your classes. Click the gear icon and select the All Lists link. On the All Lists page, click the Classes link to open the Classes list page. To create a new class, click the New button. In the Class pop-up window, enter the name for your class. You can create subclasses as well by checking the Is Subclass checkbox and then selecting the parent class from the drop-down box that appears. Subclasses are helpful if you have several things under a blanket category. It is important to note that when creating subclasses, you can only have 5 levels of subclasses, including the top or parent class. When you've finished creating your class, click the Save button to close the pop-up window. Continue creating as many classes as you need. From the Classes list page, you can run a report, edit, or delete classes by using the links within the action column. You can also print your class list by clicking the Print icon at the top of the list. The gear icon to the right of the Print icon will allow you to select how many rows to display in the list, and you can choose to include inactive classes within the display of this list. The Filter by Name box will allow you to display only the classes that you enter into the box. This is helpful if you need to filter multiple pages of classes to search through them more efficiently.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.